Welcome to the Daily Message. As I said yesterday, this week I'm going to be reflecting on some of the ways that Christ is present in the celebration of the Eucharist. Yesterday I spoke about how Christ is truly present in the sacred species, in the bread and wine that become the body and blood of Christ. Today I want to talk about how Christ is present in his word, in the proclamation of the scriptures. The document from the Second Vatican Council says this: "It is Christ himself who speaks when the scriptures are read in the church." We say that the scriptures are the word of the Lord. And so when we hear in the Old Testament the story of Moses, the story of David, the story of creation and of the prophets and the kings, we hear about those stories that prepare for the coming of Christ. And when we read the Gospels and the letters of Paul and the Acts of the Apostles and the book of Revelation, we actually hear the story of Christ. We hear about his magnificent birth, his upbringing, his ministry, his healing. We hear about his passion and death, his resurrection, and his appearance to his apostles. And when we hear those stories, the memories that they evoke, the memories that they evoke actually bring to mind Christ himself. And so in the proclamation of the scripture, it is Christ, it is Jesus himself who is truly present with us and among us. So as we listen to the readings, as we listen to sacred scripture at Mass during the week and on Sunday, it's our invitation to call to mind the great memories that we have of Christ and to bring those memories of the past into the present so that we can emulate them in our lives. Thank you so much for watching today.